Hello guys, Dominion here. I just want to do this video basically for future reference, but I'll consider maybe making it public. Um, I've been working with Elementor lately, and of course, WordPress is the easiest way to build a website out there, and if it is properly configured, you get all the best you're actually looking for when it comes to standard websites. And so Elementor is one of those uh, website builder that gives you flexibility whatsoever page you want to build. So I just want to do this for future reference. I'm going to be building a modal pop-up, more like a modal box. This method I'm going to use can be used for building anything that has to do with any pop-up that you want to build. For instance, if you want to build a pop-up for mobile menu, if you don't want to stick to the traditional or the custom mobile menu comes with WordPress, you want to build a fancy mobile menu, this method will help you to be able to achieve that easily. Okay, so I just want to do this, like I said, for future purpose. So I will be using a website here as an example. Okay, so I'll be showing you how I will be building a mobile, basically a modal pop-up. Okay, for instance, whenever I click on this install now, there should be a pop-up. Okay, so to do this, basically you will need Elementor, and to get more flexibility, I would recommend you get Elementor Pro. So let's go to the back end of the website. From the back end, where, like I said, this can actually be used for anything pop-up. Okay, so we'll go to Elementor templates. I will choose my pop-ups, and then I have already built one here. So I'll go to add new, and the first thing I need to do is to create a section. This is going to be the container of the modal box. Okay, so I'll call it price modal container. Okay, so I'll create my template here, and then after creating my templates, I'll put in all the things I need to be in the modal box or modal pop-up. Okay, so you can put in images, you can put in videos, you can put in anything at all, just the normal way you build your templates in Elementor. Okay, so we'll be giving some sample of custom templates, already made templates here. So we are not going to use any of this. I would like us to create a new one from scratch. So we'll just go here to our section. We just want to have a single section here, and then I'll go to my elements, and then I'll add an inner section to this. I want it to be just a single column, so I'll delete this other column. So we can start adding things now. I can add my title. I want this to be history, so I will say price details. Okay, so center this, change the color to white. because I want the background. Let me just set the background. Let me close the navigator. Let me set the background into so here I'll set the background to something like this. Okay, so let me go back to my price details again. Let me give this 30 and 34, and then let me just add a little padding of 10. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is to add some contents. So let me just add some content here. Let me come back here to the elements, and I'll add. Let me use some generator to get some dummy text. Okay, let's just get some dummy text from here. So let's copy some text, dummy text from here. Come back here, and then I want to change this to paragraph. Okay, so let's paste this in, and you can center this. Let's do some styling. Let's make this something like this. Okay, line heights. The line height of 1.4. Okay, and then let's come back to our section here. Add some padding as well. Let's add padding of 20. Okay, and this guy has some padding top of 20 as well. Okay, but basically let's add padding of 20 to the left, right, and bottom. Okay, so the next thing I want us to do now is maybe we can add some buttons. Let's add some buttons. So let's call this okay. Again, let's go to styling. Let's change the color of button to this. Okay. Okay. Let's remove border radius, and also okay. Let's make our button this button. We're going to centralize it. Okay. And ooh, all right. Maybe let's make this blue. So we can duplicate this, and of course have content of this will be content. Contact us. All right. So let me see. Horizontally align center. Let's give some margin to this guy. I don't know, 20, and right, 20. Okay. All right. We can add a footer. Just duplicate this. No. Let's duplicate this. Put this. Okay. Let's give these guys some margin like this, and this is going to be our footer. Right. Of course, let's do some styling here. Turn this back to 16. Make it. All right. So for this is just demonstration purpose. So let's add some shadow. Add some box shadow to yeah. All right. So we're going to publish this. Publish it, and now uh, we have our section live. So let's go back to the backend of the website, and then at the backend of the website, we're going to go back to, we're going to create a pop-up and go back to your templates, click on pop-up, and now we're going to create a new pop-up. We're going to call it price modal opener. Okay, so we create our pop-up. Now we're going to choose a template we just created now in the pop-up. So we will not give it any condition. We just choose the template we created and then customize our pop-up. And then we'll go back to the main page, to the button or the link where we want to trigger the pop-up. Okay, so it will show some ready-made pop-ups. So we'll not use any of this. We'll go to my templates and look for the section template we just created, and that was it was called price modal. So we insert that, and this is how it appears. So we're going to set the width. Let's wait for it to come up. Okay, so this is how it's being shown, and we can actually set the width. To edit the pop-up, you go to settings here, and then you can adjust the width. Okay, you can make it more flexible. You can make this like 100%. Okay, like this. And then the height is fit to content. And then the position is okay overlay. It's okay. We want a close button. And then our entrance animation is very important. Here we set how we want the modal pop-up to appear whenever we click. So we're going to do some slide in, down, just from up, and then our exits. I want to do some zooming, so let's zoom it out, and then we need to reduce our animation duration to maybe 2.3. Okay, so general settings, we don't need to do anything there. We can publish this, but make sure you don't add any condition. Just save. Okay, now our pop-up is live. So let's do some extra settings before we go. All right, so if you go back to the settings, we go back to styling. Here you can add a background to the pop-up. We can add some background. We can make well, let's just leave it leave our pop-up the way it is. Okay, overlay. Let's come to overlay here. You can change the background to something like this. Okay, and then our close button. We can increase the size of our close button. It's currently not showing. Let's increase it to 24 and then give it a color of white. You can see there. You can make it bigger, not as big as that. Let's say 24 is okay. You can actually add background to it and over effect and all that. So I think that's okay. So let's update this and save and close. So we're done here now. The next thing we need to do is to go back to our home page. So let's exit and go back to our home page. That's where we're going to set the conditions. So let's go back to our home page where the button we want to trigger the pop-up is this. So we're going to edit this also. Elementor, the home page. So we're editing the home page now to add condition to our pop-up. We want it to appear whenever we click that price, the middle pricing button. You can also add the same condition to the other buttons. Okay, so all right, like I said, this can be used for mobile menu in case you don't want to stick to the custom menu that comes with WordPress. Okay, so here now we click on this button, and of course we need to click on this to edit this. Sorry, because the button comes with that. So this is the button install now. To remove that, and then you come to dynamic tags, go to pop-ups. All right, and then click inside the pop-up at where you see pop-up or change it, and then call the pricing pop-up we just created. Okay, which is this pricing modal pop-up container opener. Okay, so that's that. Then click on updates. That's updated. So let's view this. Go to front page, open, and then let's see how it behaves whenever I click the button. Okay, so we go, let it load, click the button here. This was Did I choose the wrong? You choose the wrong pop-up. So let's go back here. Um, edit. Okay, footer and your pop-up. This was modal pop-up container opener. The one we're looking for is the price model opener. That's this. Sorry. So update, and then we refresh our page. All right. So we'll click. You can see our model pop-up. All right. So you saw the way it's slides from top to bottom. If you close, it zooms out. If you click, it slides from top to bottom. If you click outside, it zooms out or close. You click. Okay. So and these buttons, everything is working here. Okay, we have our header and our footer and the contents. You can add anything you want to add in this container. So basically, that's how you create a modal pop-up, which can also be used to create a mobile menu, custom mobile menu. You can check online and check different styles of menu, custom menu. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in another tutorial.